Right now, you take the time for yourself to create a good life experience for yourself. Keep breathing. When you tap, a lot of times emotions come up. A lot of emotions come up. And what I want you to do is, I want you to allow them and like surrender and let them be there and be with them, and don't try to want them to go. And that's a paradox. Just want them to be. Just want them to be there. The paradox is just want them to be there. And wherever emotions come up, go to the chest again. Go to the chest and breathe. And you might feel uncomfortable. Whatever it feels like, I want you to take those imaginary hands away from the emotions. I want you to just, let it be. Give up. I want you to give up. Right now, I want you to completely give up. Give up the struggle. Give up trying so hard. Say, I don't have to try so hard. I don't have to try so hard. I don't have to try so hard. You don't have to try so hard. Keep tapping. Keep tapping. And see, I go pretty, like you can say, I go pretty, like, sturdy here. Because I'm not made out of glass. And don't go in a way that it hurts. But you don't have to do like the tapping that some people do. You can do it if you like it. But I'm more on the side where I really want to feel it. And I want you to feel the sensation right now when you're tapping. Back to the head. Back to the head. And my emotions come up and you can feel it because it's just like, but I want you to feel them. Because usually people try to push them away. They're like, I don't want to feel them. I don't want to feel them. But then you stick them inside of you. I want you guys to just let them come up and relax. And whatever thoughts, don't believe their thoughts. Don't believe the thoughts. Let them say whatever. Let them talk. You are here just tapping. That's all you do. You don't have to think about anything. You are just tapping. Nothing to think about. Just tapping. And better than commenting, you should start tapping because you're improving your life. Keep tapping. Allow it. 5 fingers on the top of your head. And a lot of times emotions come up. Change with me to the chest again. See, yesterday we used a lot of points, right? Let's go to this one. I intuitively do this. This is a great point. Back to the chest. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Pay attention. And when you tap, I want you to feel the sensation. I want you to feel your fingers hitting your body. And breathe. Breathe and know that you're here. Wherever you are in the world, in the room, you are there in the room. And notice your feet on the floor or your bum on your seat. And notice how you tap right now. And notice that you're here. Ooh. And when a breath comes, you can just let it out. But don't fight anything. And the thoughts, let them talk. Don't react to them. Be aware. Are they there? Okay. But they don't run my life. I don't let that voice in my mind run my life. And if the voice in my mind brings emotions up or emotions come up, we don't touch them. And what I mean when we don't touch them, usually people try to make them feel better. They try to go on Tinder to not feel lonely. But what you want to do, you don't touch them. You let them do what they want to do. Keep tapping. You guys are doing great. Allowing. Say allowing. We're going to say some emotional words. And there's nothing that you have to know about these words. Just see how they make you feel. Effortless. Effortless. Intuition. Keep breathing. Emotions might come up. You might cry. You might release resistance because you come so much to yourself. It's good. Let yourself cry. Let yourself laugh. Let yourself get anxiety come up. Allow those things. Welcome them. Open up to them. Open up. Open up to them. Internally open up. And allow. And now we let go. We give up. We give up trying to control. Give up control. Give up control. Allowing. Give up control. Keep breathing. Emotions might come up. Breathe through them. I know this can be very intense. And it can be very nice connecting to yourself. You're doing something really great for yourself. There's a lot of emotions that can come up. If you're bored, you literally can release those energy blockages by connecting to yourself, because that's an energy blockage too. If you feel anxiety, anything, allow it. Trust that you're at the right place, at the right time. Allow it. You're at the right place, right time, here in this moment. Feel the contact of your fingers with your chest. Connect to yourself. Connect to your body. Realize you have a body there right with you. And you can hear my voice that I can realize I have this body. I tap. I'm here. You hear. Wherever you are, you hear. Say, I'm here. I exist. I exist. Allowing. I exist. I'm here. That's good. You suddenly felt anxiety that was already in you. Now it's coming up. Now don't run away. If you run away, you're doing the same pattern. If anxiety comes up and you run away, you're doing the same pattern. You can't run away. What you got to do is surrender. Let it be there. Let it do what it wants to do. Stop controlling. Stop controlling life. Top of your head. I exist. I exist. I'm allowing. I'm allowing. Give me a smile. I don't care if it's a fake smile. Give me a smile. I'm smiling at you. Give me a smile back. If I smile at you on the street, you better smile. I know the hardest, toughest people. When I just walk by them and I smile at them, at least I get like... Allowing. Follow me, pay attention. We're here in the room. You're not fragile. You can go pretty hard, don't hurt yourself. Right here. Keep breathing. Emotions might come up and you completely surrender. Oh, we completely surrender. You completely surrender. 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 Completely surrender. Oh, sometimes it's tough. Sometimes it's tough. Sometimes it's really tough when the emotions come up. I know it. And the emotions come up and we try to run away. I try to run away. I can't be on TikTok and I can't do this. No. We stay and we trust life. We trust life. We don't have to trust the thoughts. We trust here and we cry, we laugh. Yes, you can get a headache. That's okay. Allow that headache. Allow it. That headache was already in you. There's people who release resistance, they get headaches. There's people even who drink celery juice and change their diets. They get headaches because all the toxins go out. Keep breathing. Keep surrendering. Keep surrendering. Almost there. You guys are doing great. Top of the head. Allowing. Allowing. Surrendering. Keep saying the emotional words that I'm saying. Allowing. surrendering. Now we go in this point of allowing. And your body might get hot and it might get really uncomfortable. Emotions might come up. And you can do a powerful release. You can do a powerful release by surrendering and letting go. By giving up. And it might get really hot. Keep tapping while I'm explaining. Keep tapping on the chest and I'm explaining something. It might go really hot here. It might go really hot in the stomach. Keep tapping. Keep tapping. It might go really hot. It might go really uncomfortable. It might go really uncomfortable here. Take those imaginary hands back and give up and don't touch it. And it's be with the uncomfortable. Want it to be uncomfortable. Say that with me. I want this to be uncomfortable. 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 It's good that I'm here. Give me more uncomfortable and really take charge of it in your voice now. I want more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Give me more. I want this. This is good for me. Give me more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Give me more. Give me more. Really take charge in your voice. Give me more. Don't say, give me more, give me more. Say, give me more anxiety. Give me more. This is all you got? This is all you got? I felt more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Up here. Give me more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Allowing. Give me more anxiety. Give me more. Is this all you got? This is all you got? Give me more anxiety. Give me more. Give me more. Whatever feeling you have. You can even have a positive feeling. Maybe you have a light feeling in your body right now. You say, give me more lightness. Give me more lightness. But if you have anxiety, give me more anxiety. Come on. Is that all you got? Give me more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Give me. Is this all you got? Say it. Say it. Give me. Is this all you got? This is all you got? This is all you got? Give me more anxiety. You don't think I can handle this little bit of anxiety? Give me more. Is this all you got? Give me 2 dishes. Dr. Reed Wilson says this. Amazing guy. Give me 2 dishes of anxiety. Give me 3 dishes of anxiety. Give me all of it. This is all you got? This is nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing. Give me more anxiety. Tapping up here. Give me more. This is nothing. Or the voice says I'm doing something wrong. Give me more. I love it. Give me more. Give me more anxiety. Give me more chaos. Give me more anxiety. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Say, give me more anxiety. It's such a paradox, right? You're like, how is this working? But it's working. Give me more anxiety. Give me more. Give me more anxiety. Don't go to the voice in the mind because that's going to go forever. Don't go to the content. Give me more anxiety. Yes, Abigail says, this feels good. Oh my God. How is this working? How is this working? I'm teaching you something. Give me more anxiety. Wherever it is. Sometimes it's in your root, down here. Sometimes it's... Give me more anxiety. Give me more anxiety. You can tap your legs. You can tap anywhere. I don't see you. You know? Go now intuitively. Tap now intuitively where you want to tap. Right? And give me more anxiety. I want this. Give me more. I want this feeling. Now, maybe you don't feel this feeling. Maybe you don't feel anxiety. Maybe you feel a different feeling. Say, I want this feeling. Give me more of this feeling. And then things come up. Give me more of this feeling. I want this feeling. This is good for me. I got this. I want this. Give me more. This is good for me. Because actually what you're doing right now, keep tapping while I'm explaining. Actually, what you're doing right now, you're building emotional fitness. You're building emotional fitness. You're building a bigger space. Give me more anxiety. Give me more of this. Give me more. This is nothing. I laugh in your face, anxiety. This is all you got? Say it with me. This is all you got? This is all you got. You got to take charge like this in your voice. You got to take charge like this. You can't say, this is all you got. This is all you got. No, you don't say it like that. You say, this is all you got. Give me more. Give me more. What are you doing? Give me more. This is all you got. Like you're a master tennis player and the person just doesn't know how to play. Give me more. What are you doing? You don't do nothing. Give me more. Give me more anxiety. Give me more of this feeling. Give me more. Anywhere. Now tap two hands. Anywhere. It's your choice. I want you to take permission to trust yourself now. Okay? This is what I want to bring you with my videos. Give yourself permission to trust yourself. Because in the end, you have the same light that I have. But you need to come to the point to trust yourself. So right now, intuitively, just go intuitively. Don't listen to the mind. You just tap anywhere. Anywhere is right. Anywhere where you go is right. And say, I allow myself to feel this feeling in my body. You guys are doing amazing. I allow myself to feel this feeling in my body. Give me more anxiety. Give me more of this feeling. This is nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing. Give me more of this feeling. Keep breathing. You guys are doing great. Keep breathing. We're almost there. You're doing something for yourself today. You're doing something for yourself today. Give me more anxiety. I want this. Take charge in your voice. I want this. Give me more. Give me more. I want this. This is nothing. Give me more. Is this all you got? This is all you got? You can do this anytime. Anytime you walk on the beach, anytime you walk on the street, anytime you walk anywhere, outside, you feel as you say, I want this, give me more. You're in your room, I want this, give me more, give me more, give me more. Allow it. This is good for me. Say this is good for me. Because it is actually good for me. Because the more you do this, the more you build a bigger space for you to hold emotions, the more calm you become. Almost there. You guys are doing great. Almost there. Almost there. Keep tapping a little bit more. A little more. Hands back. Hands back. All right. Feel yourself in your body. Allow yourself to be you. I allow myself to feel this feeling in my body. If you're sitting, stand up a little bit. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. You guys are doing great. Keep breathing. What a session, huh? All right. Tell me how you're feeling. How's everybody feeling? How was this paradox working for you? And you can always keep tapping. I mean, not while you're writing. Unless you have 8 hands. Or you let your mom tap. Just let your mom come behind you. I love that it was amazing. I love amazing. Great stuff. Alexa's amazing. My goodness, that was amazing. Light transformer. Good. All good over here. I feel good, man. Really amazing. You can get your mom from the back and your parents, and they just tap while you writing. You're amazing. We love you too. I feel tired. That's good. The tiredness was in you. Maybe you want to go to sleep. Trust your body. Maybe you want to meditate. Maybe you want to lay down. Trust your body. Don't let the voice in the mind tell you, oh, I have to do this, I have to do this. No, the tiredness was in you. It came out. Now trust your body. Go to sleep or take a nap or relax. Do something relaxing. I feel like I have more space. I love that. Coven Commune says, I feel like I have more space. Beautiful. We love you. I love you too. Do you have any videos you recommend we can watch until we pick it up ourselves? Dr. Reed Wilson talks about this. He talks about this with all kind of anxiety and OCD. But so it's basically that you want to feel this feeling. The 5 tips to overcome, I think it's Dr. Reed Wilson on YouTube, the 5 tips to overcome OCD. He has this is for all anxiety. You can use it for all of it. Just woke up to see live and bang, what a day. Love that. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. I have a coaching call, guys. I don't know what time it is. Let me see.